Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to configure SharePoint for any table in D365. So, let's get started. Log into your environment. Here we will configure for account table. This is a record of the account. As you can see, there are multiple tabs over here and we will click on the files here. As you can see, there is no file here as there is no SharePoint configured for this. So let's configure SharePoint for accounts. We will go to Advanced Settings. Click on Setting drop down. We will get the configuration on the document management. The first step is to enable server-based SharePoint integration. So select it and click on Next. Choose Online where your SharePoint site is located and choose Next. As your app is not connected to a SharePoint online site, enter the URL of your SharePoint site that you will use for auto folder creation and choose Next. The URL will be validated to see if it is a valid SharePoint online site. After validating, you need to finish the configuration. Once you enable the server-based SharePoint integration, you can't change it back. Once server-based SharePoint integration is enabled, you will need to enable the entities you want available for document management integration. In our case, we will enable it for account. To enable this, click on Document Management Settings. Select the entities that you want to use to manage SharePoint document. In our case, we will select Account. I am also clicking on Contact for the use case. Enter the URL of the SharePoint site with the document locations and folder for storing all the documents will be created. Then click Next. Click Next over here also. This will create folders for all the entities or tables that have been selected. As you can see, accounts and also contact document library has been created. Clicking on Finish will complete the process. Now we will go back to our app and reload the account. We will go to the Files tab. As we can now see the document screen. Let's see the document location on the SharePoint where the documents will be stored. When the screen will load, you will be able to see the folder name as the name of the account with the underscore and the GUID of the account. This is the default way of creating the folder into the SharePoint. Now let's add a sample document in the account. Click on Upload. Click on Choose File. Select the file you want to upload. Then click on OK. The document is uploaded to the SharePoint. Let's check the same on SharePoint side as well. As you can see, the document is uploaded here. In this way, we can configure SharePoint for out of the box as well as for the custom entity. I hope this helps.